Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special from Chevy Malibu 2013 to 2016 to 2019 years. Okay, it comes with this special harness. You can check this special connector and canvas box, plug and play. And also it comes with this small speaker and this factory connector and it's both original USB. Okay, let me introduce the unit. It's built-in microphone. Their microphone is home button, back button, volume button, power button, and maybe this SD card slot and reset hole. Okay. You can choose the time, you can choose logo, you can choose music. Please allow it. Okay, all apps are here. It have DSP amplifier. It's DSP and Bluetooth. It's easy connection for Mirrorlink. Support Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. And built-in Play Store. You can download applications from Play Store. It's built-in Google Maps. Okay. You can choose the logo. Chevy. And choose logo. You can adjust this theme color with red, blue, green, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce Bluetooth. Let me open my phone. Let me connect the speaker to test the sound. Okay. Let me open my phone. Enable Bluetooth from your phone and click search. There have beep sound. Click pair. Put the full 0. It shows Bluetooth. You can make free phone call. Volume from your phone.
欢迎致电中国联通。您好，请问有什么可以帮您？您请说。
Okay, this context listing you can download. Okay, let me stream music from your phone. The volume from your phone. Okay, this is Bluetooth from your phone. Let me check apps. Let me show it. It's built-in Wi-Fi, and about motion you can check MCU volume, CPU optical, memory size, RAM 4GB, PX5, and Android 9 Pie system. Storage, you can check total 64GB. You can long press to the app, music. There are two USB. It's a USB driver. Device mount. It plays music automatically. DSP amplifier. It's running Google Navigation and music at the same time. Video is disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings, car setting, driver setting. It supports 4K. 4K Samsung 4K demo video around the world. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact us. Visit our website belsee.com, blse.com. Okay, thank you.